horn! 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 Hit the horn! Hit the horn! Hit the horn! Hurry up! Thank you! Oh, big Jimbo, hey! Gotta wait till he goes through the whole loop. Fuck, man. Can we go on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Doesn't like that crossing thing, eh? Doesn't like those crossovers. It's not exactly rushing. Horny bugger. Log train 647S, Saturday 8th of December 21/8 with 46927307 and loco engineer Big Jim up front. Heading southbound through to main track, crossover Trentham. 10k speed restriction due to races Trentham. How long he is. Here comes the end. He's waving to you, wasn't he? Nothing, man. I'll swing that way in a minute, as soon as he goes past us to get the end. Now I'll swing with the train to get the end.